jump jet, F22 Predator they call it. It's a really neat toy for beginners. I actually bought it for Arish, but Arish don't want to fly it. Look how stable it is. It's like being on a GPS position hold mode indoors. Can you zoom in on it? Nice zoom, right? It's really good for young kids because this does not allow you to get any speed. It has just a simple speed, and maybe you can turn to full mode on gyro and get a little bit more speed, but not too much. Still, not too much, you see? Good to practice flying 4-channel stuff. I bought it for Arish, but he flew it only the first day, and after that he don't want to touch it. Now the good thing about this thing is it has a foam body. Okay, it's just the foam fuselage, very lightweight, so feel free to hit the walls. But if the impact is big and like really hard hit, the motors will turn off and you have to reset the airplane. Arish, come on, show Baba fly one time. Come. Quickly, come, Baba teach you.
You fly.
Come, Baba teach you.
You.
Come here. So if you're boring and you have nothing to do, you can just cruise around with this little jet in your apartment or wherever you are. It's coming. It's coming. It's going to land on your head. Here it comes. Uh-oh, it crashed. Awesome. So if you're boring at home, you have nothing to do, you just want to have fun flying something, or get 2 or 3 of these and have a dog fight with your kids. I'm sure Arish will have some interest in this very, very soon, and then we can have some dog fight with this one. Let me show you the most interesting way to land the Predator plane. Wait, this is the background wall, right? Will be nice. Ooh. I got it. Don't try this at home. Oh. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, before.